Hello everyone, my name is Noel Smith and welcome to this episode of Orion's Galaxy. Today I have the absolute pleasure of unboxing something we've been waiting for quite a while from Avonic, the brand new CM32 4K PTZ camera from Avonic. So without further ado, let's see what's inside the box. Alright. So, upon opening the box, we are greeted by the quick start guide, which tells you how to get your camera set up as quickly and efficiently as possible. Next up, we have the quality control card signed by the person who tested the camera before it left the factory. So, let's check what's inside. Alright, so the first tray, we have our AC cord, which is a standard 2-pin to a figure 8 connector. The next cable being a USB-A to USB-B connector cable. And finally, the remote control. Now I need to let you guys know that the remote control is not supplied with batteries, so please grab your batteries upon your purchase of your CM32 camera. All right, next up, we have the power supply unit with a little screw-in type barrel connector and a 12-volt PSU block. And now, the moment of truth. The brand new CM32 camera from Avonic. Isn't she a beauty? Have a look. Right, so on the back of the camera, as you can see here, we've got our USB connector, HDMI, LAN connector, our barrel connector for power, and our on-off switch. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the unboxing of the very first Avonic CM32 in South Africa. Thank you for joining us on this episode today. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on awesome products like this. Thank you very much. Goodbye.